We're at a 92 FS.
And your barrel is about 130-ish is what she got up to according to this reading.
Nice.
And the barrel's glowing pretty good.
It's hard to see where the barrel is.
Yeah, the barrel shows right up. All right, we got behind that. What do we got behind that?
Yep,
40 suppressed.
go, go, go. Oh, wow. That got hot.
We're reporting 130 on the suppressor.
Oh, that's hot. That's cool. That.
What are you hitting down there? Something's sparking back there, it looked like.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Is it glowing?
Yes,
Yeah,
the barrel
it's
is,
glowing.
and the suppressor really is.
Yeah, the suppressor's glowing at about 390 degrees.
That's what it feels like when you touch it.
Let me try to hit it with that. Yeah, right about 380, 390. And then the weapon itself is, oh, we're calibrating, sorry. The weapon itself's a little, well, she's bouncing around. I think
Mid
I'll catch
80s,
it.
90,
Yeah,
something like that.
and
Can't see much of the barrel.
and you're at 90-ish.
You need to
That's
see a
more
doctor.
alive.
You need to see a doctor, dude.
Cool. And dissipate through. Now,
Oh,
well,
dude, you can see the vents.
Yeah, now the heat's starting to transfer to the outside of the barrel. And you're still about 340 on the
Yeah,
can.
but can you
We're not looking at that part.
hope you can watch the audio out.
So
Yeah.
you're actually becoming more noticeable via this as time's progressing.
Wow.
All right, I'm
Calibrating.
calibrating. Nice.
There's a lot of heat coming off of that.
Your barrel was about 3-ish. You're at 280 on your barrel. Mr. Duck millimeter. Duck 6mm. Everybody good?
Any heat on this?
Not really.
No, not really. You're about mid 80s, 90.
Handguard is doing a good job.
Mm-hmm. That's a nice hand guard.
It's